Can we justify the deployment of autonomous weapons in the sky, when the decisions they make could potentially end human lives? This is the ethical quandary we face with the advent of AI in aerospace weaponry, particularly in the context of autonomous drones. These drones, equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, have the ability to make decisions independently of human operators. They can identify targets, assess threats, and execute lethal actions without human intervention. But as we delve deeper into this brave new world of warfare, we're faced with tough ethical questions. What happens when these drones cause collateral damage? When innocent lives are lost due to a machine's decision, who can we hold accountable? Is it the creators of the AI, the military commanders deploying them, or the machines themselves? With the rise of autonomous drones, we've entered a new era of warfare, one where machines have the power to decide who lives and dies. Let's turn our attention to a real-life case that underscores the ethical dilemmas at play here. Consider the Kargil conflict, a significant military confrontation between India and Pakistan that took place in 1999. In this high-stakes event, autonomous drones were deployed as key players in surveillance and reconnaissance missions. These unmanned aerial vehicles, armed with cutting-edge technology, provided a bird's-eye view of the battlefield. They relayed real-time information about enemy positions, movements, and strategies, potentially saving countless lives by minimizing the risks associated with human involvement. The drones operated in dangerous, inaccessible terrains, performing tasks that would have been perilous for human soldiers. However, the use of these drones also brought to the forefront ethical questions about surveillance and privacy. The ability of these autonomous machines to capture high-resolution images and videos from great distances, even in the most remote and isolated areas, has raised concerns. While it's undeniable that this technology played a crucial role in the conflict, it also highlights the delicate balance between military